All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So to start things off, this car does have some PPF on it. It is on the full front bumper only. The car has a blackout package on it. You can see the SVE drift wheels. The car was ceramic coated in 2021. Got the window tint, got the gloss black louvers here as well as there, and then the kind of satin black spoiler. And the wheels have spacers on them as well. Starting with that fender, you're gonna have typical swirls from just everyday washing. Looking at the wheel, you can see the pitting here on the insides a little bit. See the flaws in there. Overall though, it's in great condition. Couple rock chips, a few little scuffs. A-pillar looks good. I do see some rock chips here. The rest of that looks nice. The gloss black. We do have some chips here. And you're gonna see some little swirls. And then you're gonna see swirls down here and some marring in the paint. See that kind of hazy look. Typical little chips. You're gonna see a lot of this marring and haziness in the paint. Might have went through some automatic car washes at some point. Overall, that wheel looks good. Looking at the hood, we do have some rock chips here, just kind of peppered throughout. Looks like most of those have been touched up. A few of them have not. And you can see you got the gloss black here. That looks awesome. Clarity on the headlights is good. You are gonna have rock chips on this front end, even though it does have some PPF, but it has protected it from that point on. Looking at that splitter, it's in great condition. Like I said, you're gonna have the rock chips across that hood. Looking at that wheel, I don't see any curb rash, but you're gonna have those issues there. You can see kind of the rust in the center parts. You got a couple little scuffs. At the side mirror, it does have PPF on it, but you're gonna see a couple flaws. A-pillar looks good. Once again, you're gonna see the marring and a little hazing in the door. Got a chip there. You know, all that can be paint corrected. You can get that looking really good. A few more chips. Fingernail scratches around this area, really common. That looks good. Wheels in good condition. Got a couple chips here, a few little scuffs. Got this kind of matte black spoiler with the clear insert here. Very common on this stuff too. You're gonna see the hazing, little swirls. That looks nice. Taillights are in good condition. Got the MBRP exhaust. You're gonna see all that. You have a deep gash right there. And some little scratches. Okay, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Looking at that panel, it's in great condition. You do have some little scuffs right here on that metal trim. That looks good. You have a dent and a gash right here. Now this is aftermarket leather. Got the bright white stitching. Bolster's really nice. You're gonna have some little humps here, some wrinkles. That all looks good. It's in great condition. Looking at the steering wheel, that looks nice. Got the automatic headlights. This does not have an aftermarket shifter, but it does have an upgraded shift ball. Everything else looks good. Here on the front right door, that looks awesome. Kick plate area looks clean. That bolster's really nice. They did a great job on the leather here. And then here on that bolster, you're gonna see a couple marks. Dash looks good. And looking back here, I know it's hard to see because it's dark. You're gonna have the wrinkles just because these are aftermarket. But overall, they did a great job. And looking in the trunk, you have a reproduced window sticker here. It's not the original, but it is laminated. Looks really good. Got this all-weather liner on here, nice and clean. All of that looks good. Checking out the engine bay, we're just gonna scan through some of this. Looks like we have an intake. So we've got the MBRP exhaust and then an intake. I believe that's the only performance upgrades. You got the spacers, the wheels, the blackout package, spoiler, and the louvers. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 31,357 miles on the Odom. This car has an intake and MBRP exhaust and a couple aesthetic mods. Steering wheel's perfectly straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Applying the brakes, no vibrations, no play in the wheel. Shifts nice and smooth. Clutch feels awesome. Love the exhaust. It's just rowdy enough, but not annoying. Car shifts nice and smooth, sounds good.